Today we're gonna unpack the Elgato Greenscreen XL. It's really big, so this is the only way I can actually put it in the frame. Where did we open it? Oh, here. Haha! Found the opening. Okay, so it's open. Looks like we got a manual. Okay, I'm gonna put that away for a second. Some protective plastics. Let's lift it out. Elgato logo on the front. Seems like there's some kind of QR code here. It says that there's a tutorial video on how to do it right here. The legs we need to extend. We're gonna get this pull. We're gonna extend the pull. Hi. It is actually super big. Look. I am 5'10", guys, and it is a lot bigger than me. And I'm even wearing shoes, so you definitely fit in it. I guess the downside of it is that it's big. So if you have a small room, I would go for the small green screen. If you have a lot of space and you want a big green screen, this is definitely big. The durability seems pretty good as well. And it's not as heavy as you think. It's actually pretty light, which did surprise me. Do you want to see my unpacking of the other green screen, which is smaller? I'll leave that up here for you guys.